Hey everyone, this will be just a quick unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Here in the US, unlocked, this is only $200. I believe if you get these from a prepaid company, whoever you go with, they're like I think 150 bucks. Alright, so let's get to this unboxing. Trying to have too much stuff in here. Let's see, this is pretty nicely packed in here. Nice small box. SIM card ejector right there. So this should be just some paperwork and USB Type-C, the USB Type-C cable. Nothing too exciting. The SIM card. And then the phone itself. So this is a good sized phone. It's not too heavy, but not too light. Actually, it's really cool. Really cool. It looks really cool here. Really cool styling. That's the word I'm looking for. Hope you guys can see that. Kind of smooth, then kind of goes up a little bit into your power button volume rocker, and then goes back into a little bit down again. Really cool design. We got a mic right there. Our SIM card right there. Actually has some little bit of plasticky tapiness on it to help protect it a bit. You actually still get a headphone jack, USB Type-C, one speaker, another mic. And then the back here is this really cool blue. So kind of depends on how you look at it, kind of changes color. It's like a very dark blue. Then where you're looking at, it's kind of like a brighter blue. It's really hard to explain. I mean, the picture does it justice, I would say. I mean, how you're looking at it's either very dark or dark blue. Really cool looking. We do have 3 cameras there, as y'all can see, and a flash. Very nice looking phone, I would say. It does have this weird little notch thing. You see like the black line kind of goes into the notch, which is similar to the A03s here. We have that black part that goes into the notch. Kind of similar looking phones. Just the A03s has more of a bezel around it. This still has a bezel, but this is a bigger bezel. It's a little bit nicer looking, I think, on A15. Costs a bit more too, though. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. So yeah, so stay tuned. We'll be doing a bunch of videos on this to come. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.